Before you land the right job, you will likely look through hundreds of job listings and apply to dozens of openings. While this is a normal part of the job search process, it can be an organizational nightmare, keeping track of the letters you've sent, resumes you've written, and avoiding the embarrassment of applying for the same job twice. You can avoid many of these headaches by using the Career Dashboard, a personalized area of your My Center that helps you stay organized and focused throughout your job search. Think of the dashboard as your main base of operations as you use the Job and Career Accelerator. On the JCA homepage, you will find the Saved Jobs dashboard, which offers a quick preview of your 5 most recently saved jobs, resumes, and letters. From here, you can jump directly to the full Career Dashboard. You can also access the Career Dashboard from My Center. In the Career Dashboard, you are able to keep track of all of the different versions of your resume and the different letters you have written. Find the version you need quickly, and then copy it, print it, download it to your device, or email it. The dashboard also shows you all of the job searches you saved, so you can rerun each search with a click of a button. You can view all of the job openings you were interested in at some point under the My Saved Jobs section of the dashboard. This section helps you keep track of which jobs you have applied to already. And if you haven't applied yet, it lets you send out your resume directly from the dashboard. If you are thinking of changing careers or want to break into a whole new industry, you can use the dashboard to keep track of the different occupations that you are exploring. If you have taken the Interest Matcher or the Skills Matcher in Find a Career Match, your occupation match results will be listed for you here. The dashboard also includes a list of personalized resources you can use to reach your goals, such as ways to improve your skills in a specific field. Each time you log into the Job and Career Accelerator, head to your dashboard to see where you left off the last time you used it. You will find here everything you need to take the next step forward.